Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a little vase out of a salt and pepper shaker from Dollar Tree. So I grabbed one of the packs of salt and pepper shakers from Dollar Tree, some florals from Dollar Tree. They're just little yellow florals. You can use whatever ones you want. A little bee button, some twine, and I chose acrylic paint in the color Sea Breeze. So it's just an Americana acrylic paint, and I painted it all over the whole salt and pepper shaker. And I did 2 coats, and I let it dry in between coats. I absolutely love this color. You could pick whatever color you want. If you wanted to do yours to match your decor, that's totally fine. These would make cute little gifts to give to people, and you could make it to match their decor. So I just gave it 2 really good coats, and I just took it and stuck a paintbrush in it, and then I just stuck it in a cup to hold it while it dried. So once it was all dry, I found this stuff called Duraclear Satin Finish. It's like a varnish, and I got it at Hobby Lobby, so I'm just going to put a coat of that on it just to make sure that it doesn't chip. You could use Mod Podge if you have that on hand, but this stuff actually works really, really well. So I just put a nice thick coat of that on the whole thing, and then I just let it dry. Once it was all dry, I'm just going to take my twine and wrap it around the neck of the shaker. And I'm just going to wrap it around quite a few times. And I'm going to hot glue it in place to start, and then just start wrapping around. And I just wrapped until I felt like it was covered enough. I didn't go all the way up, just that one little neck part. Then I'm just going to hot glue it into place. Then I'm going to take the other twine and I'm going to wrap it around my fingers. So I didn't want the bow to be too big, so I only wrapped it around 3 of my fingers. I'm just going to wrap it around a few times, and I'm going to leave the ends on either side of my fingers. So one end is going to be on one side and one end is going to be on the other. And then I'm going to trim it up, and then I'm going to take some of the twine and wrap it around the center, and that's going to be my little bow. And this is such a cute and easy way to make a simple little bow. And then I'm just going to trim off the ends to make it all even. And then I'm going to hot glue that right onto the twine that I wrapped around the neck. Just a little dab of hot glue. And how cute is that? Next, I'm going to take that button and I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to cut the part off where you're supposed to put the thread. So I just used a pair of snips and cut that off so that it sits flush. And I'm just going to hot glue that right to the center of my little twine bow. Once that was all done, I'm going to add my little florals, and voila, we are finished. How stinking cute is this? And like I said, you can make it your own. I hope this inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.